Now, the tendency here is that the ribs come forward and the tailbone goes up. So look, you've got your thumbs on your tailbone, push it down, engage your booty, and then squeeze the shoulder blades together, which will like you will have to when you go golfing. And what I like about this, it makes you active. You've got to squeeze here and push through the back shin, push through that front foot, and start to turn. So we're adding on our rotation from the open the left arm and open our chest. Now as we do that, this knee might have wanted to roll in, so roll your front thigh out, squeeze your booty, and if your feet are too close together, you may have to slide your back. And then we're just gonna rotate our ribs to the right. So I'm not propping up and sitting into my hands, my shoulders to my ears. Keep the spine long, and up and over go the other way. Roll to the side. And you are all set today. Good work, and we'll see you back here soon. Bye-bye.